Allie Neesley, and I'm in Mr. Martin's English 1302 class at 9 o'clock. And today we're going to be discussing the short story Common Sense by Linda Berry. And the story is about a little boy, and he goes over to the different people's houses and smells what kind of smells they have. And like one lady, her house smells like pee, and his neighbor, her house smells like bleach, and so does she. And one lady, her house smells perfect, so he says. And the other lady's house smells like a clean bus. He is like taken back by this because he doesn't really know what his house smells like or what other people think of his house. So he asks the girl that her house smells like bleach. He asks her if like what his house smells like and what she thinks of it, because he has no idea, because he can't smell the smell of his own house, and neither can the girl that smells like bleach, because he asks her, like, why do you always smell like bleach? And she just says she doesn't know what he's talking about. So his grandma, I guess, gets a little offended. I don't know, whatever she says. And then, so the story goes to this lady, and she's telling her husband in bed that, like, some lady, she was reading that some lady killed her husband and put him in the attic and had to use a bunch of air freshener. And yeah, but so he goes to the lady and asks that her house supposedly smells perfect, and he asks her what kind of air freshener she uses, and she's like, oh, I don't use any air fresheners. And so he's just like, oh, well, he doesn't know how to fix the smell of his house. So towards the end of the story, his grandma just says that their house smells like fish, cigarettes, well, cigs, and pork and dogs. So at the end of the story, I guess it's just the moral that the moral of the story is that no two houses can ever smell the same, because like each house is different. And I think it's funny because when I was younger, I would always ask my friends, like we would always ask each other how our houses smelled, and like we could never answer each other because first of all, we don't know exactly what it smelled like, and like you can't smell your own house. So it's just kind of funny that that is something that happened to me before. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.